Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, wrong class lah, dah lah.
Nah, sorry, must post in the ball. Nah, don't cry.
Look at his face. What is your impression? How are you? How are you?
How do you feel? Tahan for 2 days ya.
Don't cry lah.
Walau. So obvious lah. Jody friend. Like to play soccer kan. Mesti wah kakak. Nice. Thank you.
Picture lah, the 3 lipsticks tu.
Let's take a photo together.
Got